Take a look at the way that you use Robinhood on your mobile. If you're trying to trade or invest into Robinhood and you're trying to do it from the mobile app, let me give you a quick tutorial. First of all, you need to download the Robinhood app onto your phone from the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, and then log into your account. If you don't have an account of Robinhood yet, you'll need to first of all create one and then simply log in. Now the first thing that you need to make sure in order to use Robinhood is you'll need to verify your ID. Once you open up the app of Robinhood, you'll see the option called upload photo, meaning that you'll need to add in a government verified ID such as driver's license, state ID or passports. So you'll need to complete this step, and after that only you'll be able to add funds in order to buy or trade stocks and crypto. Now once you completed this step, the way that you buy stocks is you can scroll down on this page and you can view the list of stocks that are available. What you can also do is tap on this search bar on the top and then search for the ticker symbol of the stock that you're trying to buy. Once you pick a stock inside, you'll be able to see the description of this particular stock, and in order to buy a stock you can just tap on the trade button right here and then tap on the buy option. Now before all of this is possible, you'll also first of all need to link a bank account so that you can transfer money into the Robinhood brokerage. To do that, tap on the person icon on the bottom right and then head over to the hamburger menu on the top left of the screen. Once you're inside of menu, you'll need to tap on the transfers option for you to deposit or link bank accounts. From the transfers page, you can see a bunch of options such as transferring money into or from the Robinhood brokerage. To link a bank account, scroll down to the bottom of this page, and here you'll have the option of either choosing the debit card option or bank account. If you use your debit card, the funds will be transferred instantly, but it has a limit of $1,000 per day. If you don't want any limit, you can choose the bank account option, but it will take at least 4 to 5 business days for the funds to transfer. So depending upon what you need, select your option. While you are transferring money into the Robinhood account, you will have a section like this where you can choose from where you want to transfer the money, whether it be debit card or your bank account. You can select your account from here and then type in the amount that you want to transfer. Once that is set up, you can tap on transfer on the bottom. So that was a quick video about the way that you use Robinhood on your mobile. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.